always wanted to learn the golf industry with the thoughts of eventually owning my own golf course.
Hockey's my game. I love it. Just being around it, being a part of it.
Well, the sports facility program is getting you the ground roots of what happens in a sports facility. It gives you your basic classes first, and then you go into a specific area that you want to learn.
We've been talking about a lot of leadership, a lot of different leader styles. I think it's inspiring. Anyone going into that profession and going to these top-notch places, that's pretty cool. It's a great program. It's probably the best decision I've made for my education.
If you want to get into this area, you will learn exactly the things you need, and the teachers will help you.